Keistoege logoiwek choton kokakomwa Senior Ministry nebo ripset nebo itondo en emoni Engineer Festus Ngeno kole tokyinkei serikali kondochi kelset nebo ketik milionishek 4 en kasarta nebo arawek oeng chemite tai. Kong'ololi ine en kebeberta nebo Bararget en Kuresoi North kangochigili tetetab tai nebo tetutyonoton nebo kolset nebo ketik en osnet nebo Mau. Niton ko kebeberta nebo telelet ak kurset nebo president nebo emoni nebo kekol ketik bilion 15 en emet komugul koite kenyitab 2032. Ingenyoron Isaac Cheruyot.
Kong'ololi en kasarta nekaitita osnet nebo Mau, kebeberta nebo Bararget nemiten en kot neking'oten ng'atutik nebo Kuresoi North, komwa sirindet en Ministry nebo Environment Engineer Festus Ngeno kole tokyin nebo serikali nebo emoni ko kokol ketik en komoswek cheterter chekiking'em en osnet nebo Mau notok kituitos counties 4 chebo Nakuru, Kericho, Bomet ak Narok amun osnonotok ko kondametutab beek nebo komonut en emoni.
This program that we are launching officially on 24th of October 2025 covers the Mau area of Nakuru County, which covers 4 sub-counties of Njoro, Molo, Kuresoi South and Kuresoi North. That is why we've started in earnest, taking advantage of the rains to do tree growing. And so far, I'm reliably informed by the teams that have been on the ground for the last 2 weeks that we have planted and grown over 20,000 seedlings. And we are going to continue every Friday until the launch date, which is on 24th of October 2025. Mau Forest Complex is a very important strategic water tower for the government of Kenya. And therefore, by the dint of recently the president rallying the country towards the growing of 15 billion tree growing, Mau Forest Complex is one of the areas that we are supposed to sustainably restore and conserve and manage as it were. Remember that Mau Forest covers 4 sub-counties of Nakuru, Kericho, Bomet and Narok.
Kates komwa PS Ngeno kole tesetai kolsetab ketik en sub-counties 4 en county nebo Nakuru, chotok po Kuresoi North, Kuresoi South, Molo ak Njoro, ele tetat kekol ketik cheite milionishek 4 en kasartab arawek oeng chemiten tai.
The Mau Forest Complex, which we dubbed MFCI CLIP, is a 10-year program. But on the first edition, which we are going to launch by 24th of October 2025, we are supposed to have restored 3,800 hectares of the Mau area, which has been degraded along the 4 sub-counties. That means we need to have grown, by the time we are launching the program, almost 4 million tree seedlings. That is why, in harness, we are working closely with the various partners and communities to deliver on this program.
Kailos Ngeno meng'ikab komosotok chekoimongei ako kochi tiet tetutyonotok bo kolsetab ketik ak amwa ine kole bendi konyorunen kelchin tetutyonotok mising ko neranik chekacher kotoi kobit ketik chebo kipkaa chebendi kwale serikali asikekol en osnonotok.
We are not only doing tree growing, we are doing also livelihood improvement program. We will work with the communities, and I want to, on the onset, sincerely thank the communities of this area, Bararget and the entire region, covering the 4 sub-counties, for embracing the program. Because we cannot only deliver on the 15 tree growing program without the involvement of the communities. So this project has been wholly supported by the communities, and I'm really happy that when, even for the last 2 weeks that they have been here, they've been doing this work on their own volition.
Kamiten PS Ngeno ak MP nebo Kuresoi North Alfred Mutai nekacher biikab emet koik chemiten tai en ripsetab itondab emet.
Tumeweza kuongea na wakazi na tuko tayari on behalf of the community. We are ready and we are really we will really stand with the government towards restoring this section na mahali ambapo imekuwa degraded for quite some time, lakini we are bringing back to life maisha ya hii msitu, sababu tunajua tukiweza kuwa na miti kwa hakika hali ya hewa inakuwa safi.
Kong'eten komostab Bararget nemiten en kot neking'oten ng'atutik nebo Kuresoi North aripotenjini logoiwekab emet chebo Nenyon TV. Kainanyun ko Isaac Cheruyot.
Kongoi mising sirindenyon Isaac Cheruyot kobun county nebo Nakuru.